Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and pick settings to open them. And here we have to slide a little bit to find press and hold shutter button option. When we pick it, we can decide between record video, burst shot and focus, so let's pick burst shot. Now when we move back to camera and tap on shutter button at the center a little bit longer, we should take burst shot, so let's try to use this. And as you can see here we have the countdown, and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.